ConvertBox is an on-site engagement platform that exists to help businesses drive more leads and increase their conversion rates. It's a simple all-in-one solution for creating pop-ups, bars, and checkout forms that you can use as quickly and easily as pressing a button. It also helps you to capture consumer behavior and journey on your website and get instant feedback to make the user experience more pleasant and comfortable. With ConvertBox, you can get your business off the ground quickly by growing leads, segmenting your audience, retargeting with customized offers, opt-in forms, and more. If you care about usability as much as we do, you will definitely love the simplicity and user-friendliness of ConvertBox. With it, you get an all-in-one solution that doesn't require any technical knowledge and provides powerful lead generation and conversion features with all the personalization you need. ConvertBox will help you save time creating highly converting on-site messages with a handful of templates, and on top of that, it has a visual drag and drop editor that will help you customize your forms from top to bottom. To make sure your pop-ups are as effective as possible without interrupting your visitor's experience, you can use ConvertBox to create a variety of different pop-up types. You can make a cart abandonment pop-up, a simple email capture pop-up, a survey or quiz pop-up, or even an exit intent pop-up that lets you make one last effort to convert visitors as they're about to leave your website. Thanks to the live preview from its visual editor, it makes it possible to see how your ideas all come together when viewed as a form. That's what makes this drag and drop visual builder extremely helpful, especially to people who aren't very knowledgeable in terms of coding. If we take a look at its pricing, we see that it is currently available only via early access. As of now, you can get all of the features above with a ConvertBox lifetime deal by paying $495. Eventually, ConvertBox will switch to a subscription-based model, but if you act now, you can lock in your one-time payment and never have to pay subscription or recurring fees again. All this makes ConvertBox a complete tool that can give you excellent return over the years, and the lifetime deal makes it more affordable for all types of businesses. By putting such power at your disposal, ConvertBox allows you to take full control of your on-site messages and better understand the consumer behavior on your website. As long as this tool is a good fit for you, you can lock in your one-time payment and never have to pay for a lead generation, segmentation, opt-in form creation, or funnel building tool ever again. For more information related to it, you can read out our comprehensive ConvertBox review that details the good and the bad aspects of this lead generation solution, and then decide for yourself whether it's a good fit for your business or not.